The uptrend remains in progress. We can see the normal price pattern that we would expect after a strong initial move, which is a 45 degree. And we know how long to hold on to a 45-degree price move, as long as it stays above the T-line. However, we're starting to see little indecisive trading up here in the Dow, and today's trading was a spinning top that opened higher and closed lower, but still the overall trading for the day remained higher. This gives a little bit of suspicion that maybe some of the sellers are starting to take control. And the NASDAQ trading higher after a doji on Friday gives us the indication that this might be an uptrending reversal right off the 50-day moving average. However, we still have a little bit of suspicion on the basis that our stochastics haven't gotten to the oversold area and we're not above the T-line yet. Now that all changes. If the market's open positive and trade positive tomorrow, we know the J-hook pattern is setting up nicely in the NASDAQ. The stochastic will probably start curling back up, and this would indicate that our next move would be the same magnitude as this move. Some of the sectors, such as the oil sector, as we saw in our recommendation on Whiting Petroleum, broke out nicely on this best friend signal, probably in that 45 degree, especially coming out of this fry pan bottom. So utilizing the information that we know is applied to a J-hook pattern, which is very visually easy to recognize, is after a very strong price move, we're seeing profit taking. This is Wendy's. This is a very good buy on positive trading because a J-hook pattern usually takes profits, pulls back to the T-line area, shows that it's really not trading below the T-line and starts back up. We can calculate what our upside potential would be for this trade. If this has moved from essentially the $10 area to the $13 area, this should move from the $12.50 area to the $15.50 area, which would still represent a decent return. Or in CENX, we could see there was a strong price move coming out of that little scoop slow curve pattern right off the 50-day moving average. Pulls back, notice the indecisive trading, doji, bullish confirmation. Stochastics curling up. If this starts trading positive, this also has the capabilities of producing the same magnitude move as this. So the candlestick investor knows exactly where to be buying. The aggressive investor would be buying on positive trading tomorrow and then merely use the T-line as their stop. The more conservative might be ready to buy once it comes back up through the recent highs. In either case, the probabilities are extremely high that a J-hook pattern is in progress. Once again, this allows the candlestick investor to be situated in the right positions at the right time and knowing what their upside potential will be immediately. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.